Today I'm going to share how globalization affects my daily life. Globalization connects people, countries, and business around the world. Because of it, we can easily communicate and buy products from different countries. So my positive effects of globalization is that it makes learning easier. For example, I watch educational videos on YouTube and TikTok to better understand my lessons. My negative effects is consumerism. Because of online shopping apps like Shopee and TikTok Shop, I sometimes feel tempted to buy things that I don't really need. Social media advertisement also encourage people to spend more money. A real example of globalization in my life is online shopping. I can order products made in other countries and have them delivered to my home. I believe globalization is helpful if we use it wisely. We should enjoy its benefits, support local products, and avoid unnecessary expense.